Welcome back for episode 13 of Cooking with Mama Theresa. Today we are going to make Mama's Italian skillet bacon chicken. Now I remember the first time that I had Mama's drumsticks. I could tell it was chicken from the smell, but I had never eaten drumsticks before, so I didn't know it had a bone on the inside. And I came down so hard the first time that I took a bite that I almost broke my teeth. So I immediately developed a fear of chicken drumsticks. But Mama cured that by adding bacon to the dish because bacon made me overcome my fear of chicken bones. Okay, here's the ingredients that you're gonna need. 6 chicken drumsticks. Mama. Why do you want to see my drumsticks? And what's with the rubber chicken?
Tu hai paura dell'osso.
No.
Devo essere sicura che usi crocchette di pollo.
Mama says she wants to see my drumsticks because she knows I'm afraid of chicken bones and she wants to make sure that I'm not using chicken nuggets. Mama, I'm not using chicken nuggets. Look. Don't you remember I overcame my fear of chicken bones after you added the bacon to the recipe?
Sì, io sono generosa.
You are a genius, Mom, for adding bacon to the dish. Uh-oh, Mama, I just heard the dryer beep. Your laundry's done. You better go check.
Io non lavo panni oggi.
Well, if it's not your laundry, it must be the smoke alarm. You better go check, Mama.
Oh.
I can't believe that worked. I'm going to have to remember that one. Okay, here's the rest of the ingredients that you're going to need. 4 bacon strips, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of celery, 2 cups of cut cabbage, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 jar of 16-ounce jar of What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce, and you want to have 1 cup of cooked rice, which is optional. Mama serves this with the dish. I feel that 1 cup might not be enough. You might want to do 2 cups of cooked rice. And here's the tools you're going to need. A cutting board, a frying pan, a knife, kitchen shears, and a large mixing spoon. But the most important tool that you're going to need to create this Italian style like Mama, you need to pick up one of these What's Cooking Mama aprons at what'scookingmama.net. All right, let's dive into step 1. You want to heat your pan to medium heat. You want to take your bacon and you want to cut them into 1/2-inch strips. Use your kitchen shears. And we're going to go ahead and just go directly into the pan. Just like this, guys. Okay? Just like that. Directly into the pan, guys. Just like this, okay? And you want to cut all 4 strips there. I gotta tell you, the smell right now, just from that hitting the frying pan, wow.
Non bruciare la pancetta.
I'm not gonna burn the bacon, Mama. Now you want to go ahead and continue to keep stirring it until it becomes crispy. And once it's done, we're going to remove it from the pan and we're going to set it to the side. But again, you want it crispy. You want to make these crispy. So you'll keep cooking them until they're brown. This is going to take a few minutes. I got to tell you, the smell, amazing how bacon smells in a frying pan. Now the reason you put the bacon first is because you want to try to collect all the juices and flavor from the bacon before you cook your chicken. Okay, let's let them get brown on one side. And I gotta tell you, if I could only put the smell in the camera. Just like this, guys. It'll take a little bit. And I gotta tell you, bacon sure brings fond memories of my child days in Italy. It needs a little more. We're quite not there. You want to get them a little crispy. I'll tell you, Mama used to hate when I cook in the kitchen. I would turn the heat up so high, I would splash oil all over. I think they invented microwaves because I used to do that. I think any moment now the neighbors are going to knock because they smell this bacon. It smells so delicious, guys. Now what we want to do is we're going to want to pull these off. Okay, I actually think we're ready. Make sure you get all the oil off of them. And now you want to remove them from the frying pan and set them to the side. Okay? Make sure you get most of the oil off of it. Just like this, guys. Okay. Now you want to set this to the side and don't be eating them. Just like that. Okay, guys? Step 2, you want to take your chicken and you want to put it directly into the frying pan. Okay? You also want to turn the heat to high before we put these in there. So there we go. And just put them directly into the oil. Listen to those sizzle, boy. They are singing with joy, guys. Just like that, guys. And now you want to cook these chicken drumsticks. You want to turn them over and you want to make sure that they're brown all the way around, okay? And you want to capture all that bacon juices and all the ingredients is in there. It's going to take about 10 minutes and you want to constantly stir them so they don't stick. You want to make sure they don't stick, okay? But again, you want to brown them all around, okay? And this is going to take a few minutes. So we're going to go ahead and cover it, okay? All right, let's check this. Looks like we're pretty much done here. Let's look around, all around here. All righty. Let's look. Okay, hold on here. All right, all right, all right. Well, looks like it could use almost a little bit more here. Okay, now, at the end of step 2 here, you want to go ahead and remove the chicken to the side. Okay, just like this. And of course, the chicken's still kind of raw on the inside. You're just trying to brown the outside and capture all that flavor and put them to the side. And Mama wants me to cover it so it'll stay warm, okay? All right, just like that, okay? Now we're going to move to step 3. Step 3, you want to add your onions. Okay? You want to add your 1 cup of celery. Look how colorful this dish is becoming. And you also want to add your cabbage, okay? All right. And now you want to stir this all together. You want to blend these ingredients. Go ahead and stir these. Just like this. Look how colorful this plate is. And I got to tell you, the smell from the onions and the celery, they haven't even cooked yet. You want to go ahead and stir this for about 5 minutes straight. Okay, and keep mixing it so it doesn't stick. Okay, and then you want to cover it. And you want to simmer for about 5 minutes. You know, you want to get the veggies a little bit cooked. Okay, this looks ready. Let's move on to step 4. Okay, step 4. You want to take your What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce and you want to add your pasta sauce into the dish. Okay, just like this, guys. You want to add your salt. This is part of step 4. And you want to add your black pepper. Okay. Now you want to stir this. Okay, you want to bring this up to a boil. Then you want to introduce your chicken back into the pan. And you want to simmer this for about 20 minutes. All right, so let's give it a little more to boil a little more. And we'll add our chicken into it. Now look at the colors of this dish. Look how beautiful it looks. Your family will be amazed of the taste. Now when you add the chicken, you want to move the vegetables all to the side and you want to concentrate your chicken in the center of the pan. I think we're almost there. It looks like it's boiling. Just a few more seconds here. And again, the smell is amazing. Okay, I think we're ready. Push all the veggies to the side, guys, just like this. Okay, just like this, all right. Now grab your chicken drumsticks. And add those to your dish, right in the center, just like this, guys. Okay, just like that, guys. And then what Mama does to give it a little bit of extra flavor, she'll go ahead and put this on top just like that. Take some of the juices and vegetables and she'll put them right on top just like this, guys. Okay, just like this. Okay. All right. And now you want to cover it and you want to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And let it do its magic and marriage all together. While we're waiting for this to cook, I'm going to tell you a story. You know how this dish didn't have bacon in it at first, but Mama added that so I would overcome my fear of chicken drumsticks. Well, this dish didn't have cabbage in it at first either. But one day Mama was cooking this dish on the stove and a cabbage truck was going by outside the house. And it must have hit a bump on the road because a head of cabbage fell off of the truck, rolled down the hill, bounced through the kitchen window, and landed in the pan. And Mama decided that that was divine intervention and she went with it and added cabbage to the recipe from then on. Okay, looks like this is ready. So we're ready for step 5 and we're going to present it on the plate, okay? Now I like taking the rice and putting it at the bottom of the plate first. Okay, just like that. You want to give yourself a nice bed of rice. Okay, just like that, guys. Okay, make it all even. Then we want to take our veggies and we want to go ahead and put it on top, just like this. Move your chicken to the side and grab all this magic, guys. Grab all this ingredients, okay? Just like this. Oh my gosh, look at the way this dish looks. It is amazing. The colors and the smell. Oh, just like this, guys. Try to get it all. Every little bit of magic here. Okay. We're trying to collect it all. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Just like that. Let's grab all of this. Continue to put it on here. Oh yes, look at this. Oh my, oh my. It is singing with joy and marriaging together, guys. All right, let's grab this last little bit right here. Just like this. Okay. And now let's put the chicken breasts on there, or chicken drumsticks. I'm sorry, oh my God, if Mama would have heard me. Okay, guys, get all these goodies. Okay. Ah, Mama singing. I must have done it right. Now you want to go ahead and put your bacon on top of it, your bacon bits. Just go ahead and crumble them right on top. Just like this, guys. Ah, Mama singing with joy. It must smell so good. Ah, I must have done it right. When Mama sings, that means I've done it right. And now, Mama, you try one, Mama. Here you go, Mama. You try that.
Perfetto. È buono.
You like it, huh?
Yeah.
Mama says it's delicious. Thank you for joining us today. Comment below on how yours turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.